Greetings, gentle people. I am Anthea Bright Bells, Joy Bells Gooden, Miss Gooden. I hope that you are having a great day. This video is about Hurricane Beryl and those who are affected. Hurricane Beryl is passing through and is creating havoc for a lot of people. It passed through the Caribbean, and a lot of people have lost businesses, homes, cars, and other properties. In St. Vincent and the Grenadines, a lot of people have lost everything. It is believed that about 95% of the houses over there was damaged. In Jamaica, roofs were ripped from many houses.